Hello everyone. Today in this video, I will demonstrate the process of buying crypto using PayPal in Canada or any other country. The process is very simple, so stay with me. If you are aware, a new feature has been introduced to PayPal in the US, which allow users to buy crypto directly from the app. However, this feature is only available to the US residents who are using the latest version of PayPal app. While we wait for this feature to release in Canada or in any other country, I will present alternative method for acquiring cryptocurrency using PayPal. In this video, I will showcase a website called paxful.com where you can buy crypto or any other Bitcoin and make payment using PayPal. This website operates as peer-to-peer market and all you need is to select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrency. Now select your preferred payment method. Now as you can see there are a lot of payments and one of them is PayPal as you can see here. You can also utilize the search tool to find PayPal. For example, you click here and type PayPal. There we go. This is the alternative way to find your payment method. However, in this video I will specifically use PayPal to show how you can buy or sell crypto in this app. Now you just need to enter the amount you want to convert to Bitcoin and select your desired currency. For an example, I'm taking Canadian dollar and you can see the conversion has changed automatically. No matter how much number you type, it will be changed automatically the amount of Bitcoin. Once you are satisfied with your amount, just click find offer and you will be redirected to this page. Please make sure that PayPal is selected on the left, and with PayPal selected, you can see all the available options out here. By examining the reputation of each seller, you can initiate the purchasing process. Certain seller may require verification, while others may have a verification mark, just like this seller. This means this particular seller is approved by paxful.com and you can trust him more than any other sellers. However, you can find cheaper alternative with these sellers who are not verified. To use this website or to use this application, create your account and you are good to go. So if you found my video helpful, then please like the video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.